Riley, you were right. Lettuce made it through just fine. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Saturday, February 25th. And you know what Saturday means. We're going to do a quick review of this garden. Then we're going to go to you and see what's going on in your garden. Now it's been very cold the last couple days. Let's see what kind of growth we've got. Still got the peas coming up. See if anything sprouted in this one. Oh, we got something coming up. Really not a whole lot to show there. Got just about the same amount here. Supposed to warm up nicely tomorrow. We'll uncover everything then. Still supposed to be cool tonight. It hovered right around freezing all night long. And we've got 1, 2, 3 sprouting there. Where we don't have the doors completely airtight, I was kind of worried about this lettuce. Riley told me I didn't have to worry about it. Now if you're new to my channel, you're in for a real treat. Saturdays are reserved for you. Yes. Questions you may have and what's going on in your garden. I did get a comment on, that's very expensive lettuce. Nah, not really. So it worked out to about $1 a plant. We made the soil. Now lettuce, as it grows, you can cut it off, so we'll get several harvests off of each one of these plants. So it's going to turn out to be cheaper than buying it at the store, actually. Now I did joke around about the $50 lemon that we grew. Now if you buy a lemon plant, you can spend $30 or $40 on it. I got mine on the discount table, and it needed some help. But if you can keep that lemon plant alive for several years and you get several lemons off of it, you just keep dividing that up, and pretty quick you're getting pretty cheap lemons. You can spend a lot, but you don't have to. Why? You want to go see the garden? Let's go see the garden. Let's go on down to Florida and see what's going on there. Ready to go. Bruce's bucket potato experiment this winter was interrupted by the cold snap that hit Florida. However, it looks like he proved out the concept. This is a nice harvest. Bruce, your star cherries are spectacular and full of blooms. Your tomatoes are coming on nicely. Those onions have started to bulb up. Can anyone say raspberries? Bruce, this is a great winter garden. Thank you. Bruce, that was terrific. Now you can kind of see inside of these totes. The lettuce and the arugula are doing just fine. We're just going to leave them covered today. It's only in the low 40s. It's not going to hurt them to stay covered one more day. We don't see any sign of the potatoes yet, which I wouldn't expect. We've got a new contributor from Florida. Let's go celebrate what's going on in their garden. Let's welcome Tim from Northern Florida. Tim is a new contributor to this channel and sent a few examples of what can be grown in a small container. Tim, this is fantastic. Thank you and welcome. We hope you share some more. Tim, that was great. Welcome to this community. Our oriental greens and our beets are still doing okay. Good boy. Riley's out here enjoying the cool weather. He'd like you to leave a comment and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their garden. Let's go to North Carolina and see what's going on in Larry's garden. Dreams of spring in North Carolina. Larry will be planting out his in-ground and container garden soon enough. Thank you, Larry. We can't wait to see what you do this year. Larry, that was terrific. Thank you. If you hit the like button, it would help YouTube share this video with people that might be interested in a no-tilled, weed-free, deep mulch garden. Since I'm not going to open anything up today, let's go on down to Texas and celebrate what's going on in Valerie's garden. Valerie, from the looks of your starts, you're almost ready to really plan out your container garden in Texas. Valerie, have your potatoes already broken ground? Spring is coming. I know, while it's still cool outside and you're waiting for it to warm up, you're in the kitchen making your house smell wonderful. You're welcome to pause this for a second and take a look at this excellent recipe. Valerie, is that a Riley mug that you're brewing tea in? That is awesome. Thank you. Valerie, that was fantastic. Back to the greenhouse. Tomorrow's supposed to be warm enough. We're going to go ahead and open everything up. We've got a bunch of seeds to start. I hope you join us for that. If you want to see what's planted under those mini greenhouses, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.